MSI Modern 14 C7M. Vibrant design. Forget the ordinary, embrace the modern. Its unique, thin and sleek design comes with a smooth finish with everything you need even before opening up the screen. AMD Ryzen 5 7530U, 6-core, 12. All the ports you need. The modern 14 C7M provides all the ports you need: USB-A, USB-C, microSD, and HDMI. Bring you closer to the sound. When you enjoy music with modern series, you will experience sound the way it's meant to be heard. With the ability to support up to 24-bit, 192 kHz sampling, hear audio the way it was truly intended. Memory 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz. Storage 512GB NVMe M2 solid-state drive. Display 14.0 inches FHD 1080p display. HD type, 30 fps at 720p, webcam. The 180-degree lay flat and flip end share function allows you to one-click share your screen for a more effective workspace. The modern 14 C7M with its enlarged touchpad, smooth and responsive fingertip control lets you maximum your productivity on the go. The optimized 1.5mm key travel makes for a more ergonomic typing experience. Thanks to a friendly backlit keyboard, you can also work in dark environments. Extraordinary wireless experience. The latest Wi-Fi 6E delivers stunning speed while keeping the network smooth and stable even when sharing the network with numerous users. With its outstanding throughput and low latency, you can always enjoy smooth streaming of online videos, or transfer large files in an instant. Bring you closer to the sound. When you enjoy music with modern series, you will experience sound the way it's meant to be heard. With the ability to support up to 24-bit, 192 kHz sampling, hear audio the way it was truly intended. To ensure the best of the best, the product meets the MIL STD810G military standard for reliability and durability. MSI always strives for professionalism with world-leading technology. Battery 11.4 volts. Free cell, 39.3 battery, WH.